In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur faces and objects in Canva. Whether you are protecting someone's privacy or hiding sensitive details like text or logos, this quick method will help you get a clean, professional result without leaving the Canva editor. Start by opening your design in Canva so you are on the canvas with your image visible. Click directly on the photo you want to edit. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box around it. If you have multiple elements on the page, make sure you've clicked the actual photo layer and not a shape or text box. With the photo selected, look to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. This opens the photo editing panel on the left. In that panel, go to the Effects tab, scroll down until you find the Blur option. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling. Some effects are grouped and appear a bit lower in the list. Choose the Brush option inside the Blur tool. The brush lets you blur only the parts you want, rather than the entire image. Before you start painting, adjust the brush size and intensity. A smaller brush is great for tight areas like around eyes or edges of objects, while a larger brush helps cover broad areas quickly. Intensity controls how strong the blur looks. Lower values create a subtle blur, and higher values completely obscure details. Now, paint over the face, text, or object you want to obscure. Use slow, controlled strokes for accuracy. Zooming in can help you stay inside the edges and avoid blurring areas you want to keep sharp. If you are covering a face, aim to blur the eyes and identifying features thoroughly. For text, follow the shape of the letters to ensure everything is unreadable. If you need to refine, use the intensity slider to increase or decrease the blur until it looks right. Made a mistake? Click Remove to erase any accidental blur and restore the original area, then continue painting. You can switch between blurring and removing as needed to tidy the edges and keep the effect natural. When you are satisfied, click back to exit the Blur tool and return to the main editing options. Canva saves your changes automatically, so here is no extra step to preserve your work. That's it. Thanks for watching.